drifting. I try control, steer to places that I should know. Thought that I had been here before. I'm drifting, I'm losing all the patience. I'm going crazy. I'm drinking bottles full of tears. It feels I cannot cope with this mess. Maybe I'm psycho, but aren't we all mental? Without rules and order, I'm a danger to myself. We always play victim. It's just an addiction that into masquerade our flaws while they still chase us. Animals say we're not, but we acted so. All reactive, take nothing slow. Better watch out, 'cause I'm coming on my